Hello everyone. For Koreans, the chopstick is one of the most important gadgets on your table and in your kitchen. If you can use these chopsticks easily, you can do whatever you like on your table and in your kitchen. And you can do like Koreans. Let's see what these chopsticks can do and how these will work. Let's go. If you can use chopsticks like me, you can do many things, such as using like a fork, picking up rice, wrapping rice with nori, tearing your kimchi, cutting tofu like a knife, picking up kimchi, getting rid of fishy bones, picking up noodles, stir-frying vegetables, egg beating, and deep-frying chicken breast. Some people use chopsticks this way, but it's not stable. Time to follow my directions. Let's see how I handle my chopsticks. When you look at tongue and tweezers, the two sticks move together like this. But when you handle your chopsticks, as you can see here, only one stick moves. So that is the secret of the handling chopsticks. So now let's see how it works. The first thing you have to remember is that you have to set one of the chopstick firmly on your finger. And your finger should be like this, and put your chopstick here so that it can be firmly stabilized, and then rest it on your ring finger like this, on the first knuckle. And here you press down your thumb and you press up your ring finger, and it can firmly stabilized. So it will never move. And second step is to hold your another chopstick with 3 fingers, using thumb, index finger, and middle finger. And you put your chopsticks between index finger and middle finger here, and then you press down the chopsticks with your tip of the thumb. And then you can grab your other chopsticks here firmly. And then you can move like this. Normally your thumb never moves. While your thumb is firmly stabilized here, you just drag your index finger and middle finger to your body, and it will move like this. While you're moving this chopstick, this one should be firmly stabilized like this. And then you press down. Again, you press down your thumb like this, press down, and then you press up your ring finger like this, and then you move like this. When you want to streamline tip of your chopstick, just tap down here like this, and then you can streamline the tip of your chopstick like this, and then you pick anything you want, just like this. If you practice harder and harder, you will master how to use your chopsticks, and then you will do like Koreans.